Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Revolut is hiring for support specialist English role. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about Revolut first. People deserve more from their money, more visibility, more control, more freedom, and since 2015, Revolut has been on a mission to deliver just that. With an arsenal of awesome products that span spending, saving, travel, transfer, investing, exchanging and more, our super app has helped 25 plus million customers get more from their money. And we are not done yet. As we continue our lightning fast growth, we believe that two things are essential to continuing our success: our people and our culture. So far, we have 5,000 plus people working around the world from our great offices or remotely on our mission. And we are looking for more. We want brilliant people that love building great products, love redefining success, and love turning the complexity of a chaotic world into the simplicity of a beautiful solution. About this role, our customer support team is a people face for the company and provides first-class frontline support to our millions of customers. We are also internal customer champions working with product teams to ensure users stay at the forefront of everything Revolut does. We are looking for customer support superstars to join our team as a support specialist. This role isn't just about ticking off tickets and answering calls quickly. This is about truly delivering wow levels of service to our global customer base. We want fast-acting problem solvers, not script readers. If you don't see your long-term future in customer support, that's cool too. We put a lot of time aside to train you up, so you are ready to hit the ground running in any other team in the company if you decide to make a change. We are global financial super app, so we have to be available 24/7. That sometimes means working nights and weekends. We will compensate you for night shifts, but we understand this still isn't for everyone. So please bear that in mind before applying. What you will be doing under this role? Providing our users with an outstanding customer experience. It's part of our mission to make Revolut users feel secure while using our service. Providing excellent customer service via our in-app live chat, phone and email. Representing Revolut online at all times. Collaborating with other teams internationally to tackle any customer issues. What you will need for this role: proficient English language skills, bachelor's degree or equivalent, excellent communication skills, ability to explain complex issues in an easy and understandable manner, strong writing skills and great numeracy and IT skills, strong attention to detail and analytical skills, empathy and love for helping people, driven, self-motivated and highly flexible team player approach, self-learner, independent problem solver attitude. Nice to have prior customer support experience, multiple languages. Building a global financial super app isn't enough. Our Revoluters are a priority, and that's why in 2021 we launched our inaugural D&I framework, designed to help us thrive and grow every day. We are not just doing this because it's the right thing to do. We are doing it because we know that seeking out diverse talent and creating an inclusive workplace is the way to create exceptional, innovative products and services for our customers. That's why we encourage applications from people with diverse backgrounds and experiences to join this multicultural, hardworking team. By applying for the above position, you will confirm that you have reviewed and agreed to our data privacy notice for candidates. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. Then this application form will open. Here you have to fill just basic general information. After filling this application form, click on this submit application button and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates, channel को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.